Good morning, girls. Good morning. Yes, today ma'am is in a better mood. Yesterday I got furious. Never mind. Today we proceed with accountancy. That was for business studies. Today we proceed in accountancy with the next topic, that is hidden goodwill. Now you will ask, how can goodwill be hidden? Everything in this chapter that we are discussing is focused on the goodwill. The first thing that we learned was calculation of new profit sharing ratio, and that was to distribute the goodwill. Goodwill is the very important factor as far as partnership and the change in profit sharing ratio among partnership is concerned. Now, how is goodwill hidden? Hidden means sometimes the value of goodwill is not very clearly given in the question. We have to find the value of goodwill. That means goodwill is hidden. So that means when the goodwill is hidden, we have to find the value of goodwill. How do we find the value? We find the value of goodwill based on the new partners or the firm's goodwill. This firm's goodwill and then the new profit sharing ratio of including the new partner. Let us see how. See now, A and B, this is an example to make you understand the meaning of hidden goodwill. See, if A and B are partners with capitals of 30,000 and 20,000 respectively, A and B 30,000, 20,000 respectively. They admit C as a partner with 1/4 share. C joins in with 1/4 share. C is to contribute rupees 24,000. Now what is the goodwill? That is not told. But then we know C is to contribute 24,000 as his capital. In such case, what do? We do not know the value of goodwill here. Firm's goodwill is not known. So what do? With the total capital of the firm based on C's share ought to be 24,000 into C joins in with 24,000 and 1/4 share. That means according to his capital and his share, the firms, if for 1/4 share he gets 24,000, for full share the firm's capital should be 24,000 into 4, that is 96,000. But now let us see, is it 96,000? That means 30,000 A, 20,000 for B, that is 50,000, and 24,000 he brings, that is 74,000. तो 90,000 तो बना नहीं. So why? और इसके हिसाब से देखो तो it should be 94,000. For 1/4 share he gets 24,000. So 24,000 into 4 by 1 तो 96 होना चाहिए. This plus this A's plus B's plus C's capital is 74,000. That means this 96,000 minus 74,000, 22,000 is the value of firm's goodwill. This is called the hidden goodwill. With the value of firm's goodwill, we find out the new partner share of goodwill and make the accounting treatment as we used to do. In the same way, we make the accounting treatment. Clear? This is hidden goodwill. Now let us proceed with this. The same thing carried over in a question. This is to explain. A and B are partners with capital of 24, 25 and 15,000 respectively. A and B with capitals of 25 and 15,000 respectively. $24,000 and 5,000. Now they admit C as a partner with 1/4 share in the profits of the firm. C is coming in with 1/4 share in the profits of the firm, and C brings in 18,000. That means for 1/4 share, C brings 18,000. Calculate the amount of goodwill and pass the necessary entries. That is the question. That is what is asked is to pass the entries for goodwill. So with C's capital and his share, we have to find out the goodwill of the new partner. Now in this question, the amount of goodwill is hidden, which will be calculated as if for 1/4 share C brings 18,000. For full share, the firm's capital should be 18,000 into 4 by 1, that is 72,000. But now, if we add the capitals of all the three partners, A's capital given in the question is 25, B's capital 15, C's capital 18, it only sums up to 58,000 और होना चाहिए 72,000. So 72,000 minus 58,000, that 14,000 is the value of goodwill. That is the value of goodwill, and this is hidden goodwill. If for firm's goodwill it is 14,000, तो C share of goodwill will be ये 14,000 का 1/4, that is 3,500. New partner's share of goodwill is 3,500, and then we can make the entries at the time of new partner's admission. We have learned he brings in his share of capital in cash, bank to C's capital, that is 18,000, C's current account, new partner's current account to old partner, that is distributed, the 3,500 distributed to A and B in which ratio? Sacrifice ratio. And the question is done. Are we clear?